Have you ever looked around and felt like life is moving forward for everyone except you? People you grew up with are getting promoted, getting married, buying homes, building successful lives. And somehow you're still trying to figure out who you really are. Sometimes it feels unfair. Sometimes it feels like you're late. And sometimes, in the silence of the night, a painful question appears. What if I never catch up? But what if the problem isn't that you're behind? What if you're measuring your life with someone else's clock? Most people spend their lives chasing milestones. More money, more status, more approval. They keep moving, but rarely stop to ask where they're actually going.
Yet, some people are different. They question everything. They think deeply. They spend years trying to understand themselves before choosing a path. From the outside, it can look like confusion. It can look like hesitation. It can even look like failure. But beneath the surface, something powerful is happening. While others are collecting achievements, they're collecting wisdom. While others are following the crowd, they're discovering who they truly are. And that journey takes time. A bamboo tree spends years growing roots beneath the ground before anyone sees a single sign of growth. To the world, it looks like nothing is happening. But underneath, everything is happening.
People are often the same. The years you spend questioning, learning, struggling and growing are not wasted years. They are the roots, and one day those roots become strength. The people who rushed into lives that weren't meant for them often wake up feeling empty, but the person who took time to understand themselves gains something far more valuable: clarity. They know what matters. They know what doesn't. They stop chasing every opportunity and start building a meaningful life. So if you feel behind today, remember this: a flower that blooms later is not a failed flower, and a soul that takes longer to find its path is not lost. Maybe you're not late. Maybe you're becoming the person you were meant to be. And maybe your greatest chapter hasn't even begun yet.